Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download GBA Emulator on Android. Firstly, open the Google Play Store and search for My Boy Lite and install it. The free version is sufficient for basic gameplay, but you can purchase the paid version for additional features like faster fast forward and no ads. Next, go to a trusted ROM site like emulatorgames.net. Search for the game you want, ensure you legally own a physical copy before downloading. Download the ROM file. It will typically be in a compressed format like zip. Extract and organize the game files, and just open the My Boy Lite app and use the file navigator to upload or load the games or the .gba files. Next, you can play your game easily on your Android. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.